What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to my Apple Watch tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to show you a technique to keep your battery level down, the usage, while doing your workouts on your Apple Watch. So of course, let's say we were to start a run, right? We know the battery on these watches aren't the greatest, so as this runs in the background, what I want you to do is go to your main menu. After you launch it, down here, you see this airplane? Run airplane mode. So now as you do your hour, 2-hour workout, whatever you're doing, the watch still works, but now the energy level is conserved. And then as you're about to finish your workout, right before, this is what I like to do. Sorry, I go to the main menu, swipe up, turn airplane mode off, and then it's like nothing ever happened except you got to save your battery level. So once again, airplane mode, double click and swipe up, press it here. Once you're done, take it off and your watch goes back to normal. But you'll notice how much battery level you're gonna start saving once you start using the airplane mode on your activities and workouts. Stay tuned for more videos coming up.